Get the look, magazine-worthy mantle styling made easy, thanks to Amazon. Introduction. Hello, and welcome to our video on creating a stunning, magazine-worthy fireplace mantle using Amazon products. A well-decorated mantle can be the centerpiece of any living room, drawing the eye and setting the tone for the entire space. In this video, we'll explore how Amazon has become a go-to source for stylish and affordable home decor, offering a wide variety of options to transform your mantle into an extraordinary display. We'll cover tips for choosing the right decor elements, ideas for incorporating various styles and themes, and techniques for balancing and arranging your mantle decor. We'll also explore seasonal and holiday decorating inspiration, DIY mantle decor ideas, and the benefits of pairing your beautifully decorated mantle with a realistic electric fireplace from MagikFlame. Please take a moment now to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Choosing the right decor elements. When it comes to decorating your mantle, the key is to select items that complement your overall design style and create a visually appealing display. Let's take a look at some essential decor elements to consider. Mirrors. Mirrors are a classic choice for above the fireplace, as they help to reflect light and create a sense of depth in the room. The Blenheim Mantle Wall Mirror by SBC Decor is a stunning option, featuring an elegant white frame that works well with a variety of decor styles. Mirrors offer several benefits when used above the fireplace. They reflect light, making the room feel larger and brighter. They also create a focal point above the mantle and complement various design styles. When selecting a mirror, consider the size and shape that best suits your space. Decorative objects. Incorporating unique and eye-catching decorative objects is a great way to add personality to your mantle. Consider items like the carved white bone beads by the bead chest, the silver metal bowl on square wood base by K&K Interiors, or the deep wooden dough bowl with handles for a touch of texture and visual interest. When selecting decorative objects, think about incorporating a mix of materials, shapes, and sizes to create a dynamic and visually appealing display. For example, you could pair a sleek metal bowl with a rustic wooden dough bowl and a set of carved beads for a beautiful contrast of textures and styles. Candles and candle holders. Candles are essential for creating a cozy and inviting ambience in your living room. When selecting candle holders for your mantle, look for pieces that complement your overall design style and color scheme. Varying the heights and styles of your candle holders can add depth and dimension to your display. Consider using a combination of tall, slender candlesticks and shorter, more substantial holders to create visual interest. You can also experiment with different materials, such as glass, metal, or ceramic, to add texture and variety to your mantle. Greenery and floral arrangements. Adding natural elements like greenery and floral arrangements can breathe life into your mantle decor. If you prefer low-maintenance options, consider using fox plants and flowers, which can look just as beautiful as the real thing without the upkeep. When incorporating greenery or floral arrangements, think about the overall color scheme and style of your mantle. For a modern look, opt for sleek, minimalist vases or planters with simple, understated arrangements. If you prefer a more traditional or rustic aesthetic, consider using vintage vases or woven baskets filled with lush, overflowing greenery or vibrant blooms. Artwork and wall hangings. In addition to decorative objects and greenery, artwork and wall hangings can be excellent choices for adorning your mantle. A beautiful painting, print, or photograph can serve as a stunning focal point, while smaller pieces can be grouped together for a gallery-inspired display. When selecting artwork for your mantle, consider the colors, textures, and themes that complement your overall design style. For a cohesive look, choose pieces that share a common color palette or subject matter. Alternatively, you can create a more eclectic display by mixing and matching different styles and mediums. Personalized touches. One of the best ways to make your mantle truly unique is to incorporate personalized touches that reflect your interests, hobbies, or family history. Consider displaying sentimental items like family heirlooms, travel souvenirs, or cherished photographs in beautiful frames or shadow boxes. You can also create your own personalized decor pieces, such as hand-painted signs or custom-made wall hangings. These DIY elements not only add a personal touch to your mantel, but also allow you to express your creativity and individuality. Styling your mantel. Now that you've selected your decor elements, it's time to arrange them on your mantel for a cohesive and visually appealing display. Creating a focal point. Choose a statement piece to serve as the focal point of your mantel, such as a large mirror, artwork, or a bold decorative object. Balance this focal point with smaller decor items on either side to create a sense of symmetry. When selecting a focal point, consider the overall scale and proportions of your mantel and the surrounding space. Aim for a balance between the focal point and the rest of your decor elements. Layering and grouping items. To create depth and visual interest, layer and group your decor items. Use odd-numbered groupings for a balanced look, and vary the heights and textures of the items within each group. When layering and grouping items, think about creating a sense of movement and flow across your mantel. Stagger the heights and positions of your decor elements to guide the eye from one end of the mantel to the other, creating a visually engaging display. Overlap items to create depth. Use risers to vary heights, group items in odd numbers, and mix textures within each grouping. Incorporating different textures and materials. Mixing and matching textures and materials can add depth and character to your mantel display. Combine elements like wood, metal, glass, and fabric to create a dynamic and visually interesting arrangement. For example, you could pair a sleek glass vase with a rustic wooden bowl, a metallic candle holder, and a plush, textured throw blanket draped over the edge of the mantel. This combination of contrasting textures and materials creates a rich, layered look that adds warmth and interest to your display. Playing with color and contrast. Select a cohesive color palette for your mantel decor, choosing items that complement each other and tie in with the overall color scheme of your room. Don't be afraid to use contrast to make your decor pop. For example, placing a dark object against a light background can create a striking visual effect. When working with color, consider incorporating a mix of neutral tones and pops of vibrant hues. Neutral shades like white, beige, and gray provide a calming backdrop, while bold colors like red, blue, or yellow can add energy and visual interest to your display. Balancing symmetry and asymmetry. While symmetrical arrangements can create a sense of balance and harmony, asymmetrical displays can add visual interest and a more organic, natural feel to your mantel. Consider combining elements of both symmetry and asymmetry to create a dynamic and visually appealing display. For example, you could create a symmetrical arrangement with matching candlesticks or vases on either end of the mantel, but then introduce asymmetry by placing a larger focal point, such as a mirror or artwork, off-center. This combination of symmetry and asymmetry creates a visually engaging display that feels balanced yet dynamic. Incorporating lighting. Lighting can play a crucial role in enhancing the ambience and highlighting the beauty of your mantel display. Consider incorporating a variety of lighting sources, such as candles, string lights, or strategically placed lamps or sconces. Candles are a classic choice for mantel lighting, providing a warm and cozy glow that complements the flickering flames of a fireplace. String lights can add a whimsical touch, while lamps or sconces can provide focused lighting to highlight specific decor elements or artwork. When incorporating lighting into your mantel display, consider the overall mood and ambience you want to create. Popular mantel decorating styles. There are countless ways to style your mantel, depending on your personal taste and the overall design of your home. Let's explore a few popular mantel decorating styles to consider. Modern farmhouse. The modern farmhouse style combines rustic elements with clean lines and a neutral color palette. To achieve this look on your mantel, incorporate items like shiplap, rustic wood, and vintage finds, paired with simple, modern decor pieces. Minimalist. A minimalist approach to mantel decor focuses on simplicity and clean lines. Choose a few carefully selected items, such as a single piece of artwork or a simple vase, and let them shine against a clutter-free backdrop. Traditional. Traditional mantel decor often features classic elements like symmetrical arrangements, antiques, and timeless pieces. Look for items with rich textures and ornate details to create a sophisticated and elegant display. Eclectic. An eclectic mantel combines elements from various styles and eras for a unique and personalized look. Mix and match vintage and modern pieces, and don't be afraid to incorporate bold colors and patterns. Coastal or beach inspired. For those who love the relaxed and breezy vibe of coastal living, a beach-inspired mantel can bring a touch of that seaside charm into your home. Incorporate elements like driftwood, seashells, and shades of blue and white to create a serene and calming display. Bohemian chic. For those with a free-spirited and eclectic sense of style, a bohemian chic mantel can be a perfect fit. This style embraces a mix of patterns, textures, and global influences, creating a warm and inviting display that reflects your wanderlust and love of adventure. Seasonal and holiday mantel decor. One of the joys of having a fireplace mantel is the opportunity to update your decor for different seasons and holidays. Amazon offers a wide variety of seasonal decor items, making it easy to give your mantel a quick and easy refresh. Of course, no holiday decor is complete without incorporating festive botanicals like fresh greenery, berries, and natural elements that lend an organic, natural quality to the seasonal display. By combining these natural accents with traditional holiday decor like ornaments, ribbons, and other trimmings, you can create a warm, inviting ambience that extends the festive spirit throughout the home. The key to creating a cohesive, polished look is to choose a color palette that complements your existing decor and carries through from room to room. A rich, warm palette of deep greens, crimsons, and gold tones can lend an elegant, sophisticated feel, while cooler shades like silver, ice blue, and wintry white evoke a crisp, refreshing quality. When it comes to botanicals, look for hardy varieties that offer lasting beauty, such as pine boughs, eucalyptus, cedar, and other woods that hold their color and texture. Combining these elements with dried seed pods, pine cones, and other natural embellishments allows you to create stunning displays that can be enjoyed for weeks at a time. And don't forget the power of scent. Incorporating scented botanicals like pine, fir, and citrus can infuse the home with the nostalgic aromas of the season and make the living space feel warm and welcoming. While live plants require more frequent care and maintenance, dry botanicals offer enduring beauty with minimal upkeep. With a little creativity, you can craft decorative accents from foraged finds and natural materials to add visual interest and a touch of nature's artistry. Decorating for the holidays is about more than just adorning the home. It's an opportunity to create an experience that speaks to the heart and stirs the senses. By combining decorative botanicals from nature with elements inspired by the season, you can craft an ambience that is both comforting and uplifting. The art of decorating is truly a personal journey of expression. It's about celebrating the natural cycle, embracing the transition of the seasons, and allowing the spirit of the living world to inspire and nurture the soul. Conclusion. Creating a magazine-worthy mantel is easier than you might think, thanks to the wide variety of decor options available on Amazon and the innovative electric fireplace solutions offered by MagikFlame. By choosing the right elements, styling them effectively, and adapting your decor for different seasons and holidays, you can transform your fireplace mantel into a stunning focal point in your home. Remember to have fun with the process and experiment with different styles and arrangements until you find a look that you love. With a little creativity, the convenience of Amazon, and the unparalleled realism of a MagikFlame electric fireplace, your mantel and fireplace will be the envy of all your guests, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that you'll enjoy for years to come. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more high-quality videos like this one.